Have you ever imagined a world where it rains diamonds? Sounds like science fiction, right? But this is real. On the planets Neptune and Uranus, it's literally happening. Deep inside these ice giants, conditions are extreme. The pressure is millions of times stronger than on Earth, and temperatures soar thousands of degrees. Here, methane gas breaks down, releasing carbon atoms. These atoms then compress and crystallize into diamonds. Yes, diamonds. And they fall like hailstones toward the planet's core. Scientists didn't just guess this. They recreated it in laboratories on Earth. Using powerful lasers, they simulated the same high-pressure conditions found on these planets. And guess what? Diamonds actually formed. This proves that diamond rain is not just a theory, it's real science. But why does this matter? Studying diamond rain helps scientists understand the mysterious interiors of these planets. It may even explain the strange magnetic fields of Neptune and Uranus. The diamonds could play a role in how these planets generate their magnetic energy. Imagine standing on one of these planets. Instead of rain, glittering diamonds are falling from the sky. The universe is full of wonders we can barely imagine, and this is one of the most dazzling examples. So next time you think diamonds are rare, remember, somewhere out there, it's raining them by the ton. Space is full of surprises, and Neptune and Uranus are proof that reality can be stranger than fiction. Stay curious, because the universe always has something incredible waiting to be discovered.